In a vibrant, bustling forest surrounded by towering trees and shimmering streams lived two inseparable friends, colorful Chameleon and Parrot. Colorful Chameleon had the unique ability to change his skin color depending on his mood, while Parrot's melodious chirp was a song everyone loved. Their days were packed with exploring the wonders of the forest together, sharing jokes, finding delicious fruits, and making new friends. One sunny afternoon, as they wandered along a winding path, they suddenly heard soft sobs coming from a nearby bush. Out stepped little Squirrel, her tiny paws wiping away tears. Colorful Chameleon knelt down beside her, his skin turning a comforting yellow. Little Squirrel explained, "I've lost my mother's acorn," she sniffled. "It's her favorite, and I was supposed to guard it. I looked everywhere but can't find it." "Don't cry, little Squirrel. We'll help you find it." Without a second thought, the two friends sprang into action. Colorful Chameleon changed his skin to green, blending perfectly with the leaves and bushes as he carefully searched the ground. Meanwhile, Parrot soared high into the air, scanning the forest below with her sharp eyes. After a while, Parrot's keen gaze spotted something shiny lodged in a bird's nest near the top of an old oak tree. Flapping back down, she chirped excitedly, "I've found it, Chameleon. It's in that tree." The two worked together, Chameleon expertly climbing the tree, and Parrot guiding him where to go. Carefully, they retrieved the acorn without disturbing the nest. Little Squirrel's face lit up as they returned. "My mother's acorn! You found it! Thank you, thank you!" Little Squirrel exclaimed, hugging the prized nut tightly. Colorful Chameleon turned a cheerful orange, and Parrot gave a delighted trill. "That's what friends are for," they said in unison. From that day forward, Little Squirrel became their newest companion. Together, the trio explored the forest, helping animals in need and sharing adventures. They learned that no matter how big or small the problem, kindness and teamwork could solve almost anything. And so, their days unfolded with laughter, love, and life's simplest lesson: friendship makes the world brighter.
In a forest deep, where trees stand tall, live chameleon bright and parrots call. Friends so true, with hearts so kind, adventures they find of every kind. Colors change and wings take flight, helping hands in morning light. Chameleons' hues and parrots' song, friendships bond forever strong. A squirrel's cry, a tearful plea, a lost acorn beneath a tree. Chameleon's green, a leafy blend, parrot's eyes, a helpful trend. Colors change and wings take flight, helping hands in morning light. Chameleons' hues and parrots' song, friendships bond forever strong. In a nest so high, the acorn found, together they climbed on solid ground. A joyful reunion, a grateful heart, friendship's magic, a brand new start. Colors change and wings take flight, helping hands in morning light. Chameleons' hues and parrots' song, friendships bond forever strong. Through forest paths they'll always roam, chameleons' colors, a vibrant home. Parrot's melodies, a sweet refrain, best of friends through sun and rain.